Hello and welcome to BioCode. In this video, we will see how we can convert data between different data types. And for example, if there are logical values, as you know, true means one and false means zero. If you are not familiar with logicals, kindly watch that video to have a better understanding. And as you know, in logical values, 1 0 are binary numbers and that mean true or false. So whenever we are dealing with logical values and we need to add those values up, we need to convert them quickly. We just need to call in the sum function and pass on to those logical values, and it will be converted into a numeric. R will convert that data type based on the fact that what function is being called, and it will automatically convert it, so you don't have to. Or our logical value can be converted into a character, and likewise. So a numeric value can also be converted into a vector, and logical can be converted into vector as well, and logical can be converted into numeric. So it goes in around in a circle. So let's demonstrate it to you so that you can have a better understanding. For example, you have a vector, and that you have a declared my vector that contains 3 true, true, false. These